What if you looked up at the night sky and the moon was gone? No soft glow, no shining silver disk, just darkness. But something's still up there, something invisible and terrifying. What if the moon turned into a black hole? All right, don't panic yet. We're not talking about a giant vacuum sucking up Earth. We're talking about a black hole with the same mass as the moon, just squeezed down unbelievably small. How small? Take the entire moon and crush it into something smaller than a marble. That's right, an object with all the moon's mass, but only about a quarter-inch wide. Tiny, but with gravity still strong enough to keep orbiting Earth. So what happens next? Surprisingly, not much at first. Because gravity depends on mass, not size, the orbit would stay stable. The moon black hole would keep circling Earth exactly as before. Tides would still happen. The pull would feel almost the same. But the big difference? No more moonlight. The night sky would suddenly be darker than ever. No moonlit walks, no lunar eclipses. No full moon selfies. Sorry, werewolves. Your schedule just got canceled. Now, over time, weird things start to happen. Because the black hole is so tiny, small gravitational effects might make its orbit drift. That could slowly change how tides behave. Oceans might rise or fall in unpredictable patterns. Storms could shift seasons, and coastal regions might notice tides getting a little chaotic. And since we can't actually see the black hole, how would we even know it's there? Well, if dust, rocks, or even a stray satellite got too close, they'd spiral in and heat up. That creates bursts of X-rays, like a cosmic "I'm still here" signal. So, instead of a glowing moon, we'd get faint X-ray flickers in the sky. Astronomers would lose their minds. And conspiracy YouTubers would say, NASA hid the moon. Over millions of years, things would get stranger. Right now, the moon keeps Earth's tilt stable. That's why our seasons are regular. Without that steady pull, Earth's tilt could start wobbling like a top. That means unpredictable seasons. Maybe summer suddenly turns into ice age, or winter disappears for centuries. Earth's climate would go off the rails, and life would have to adapt to extreme, random weather. Now, let's say an asteroid passes close to that mini black hole. It could get shredded, heated, and vaporized, releasing radiation bursts. From Earth, we'd see flashes of energy from the spot where the moon used to be, a deadly beautiful cosmic light show. But here's the surprising part. Even with all that, Earth itself would be fine. A moon-mass black hole isn't strong enough to swallow our planet. It's far away, and its gravity isn't any stronger than the moon's was. So, despite sounding like a nightmare, it's actually one of the least dangerous black holes in the universe. The only real loss? Our beautiful moonlight, our steady tides, our stable seasons. Earth would survive, just a little darker, a little colder, and a little lonelier. So what if the moon turned into a black hole? We'd lose our nightlight, our rhythm, and maybe our balance, but we'd still be here, spinning under a sky that hides a tiny black marble. Maybe next time you look up at the moon, take a second to appreciate that gentle glow before it ever decides to go full black hole mode. If you enjoyed this cosmic what if, hit that like button and subscribed, share it with your friends, and tell me in the comments, what if Earth turned into a black hole? I'll see you in the next one. Keep wondering.